So over here, there's on this side is Arizona time. Arizona does not participate in daylight savings. And over there is Nevada. So here I am in Arizona, and this is where the intake goes, the river on the Arizona side. That's the Arizona side. So on this side is all Arizona, and then as I walk this way, on this side is that's the Nevada side. So Nevada participates in the daylight savings, but Arizona doesn't. So during the fall, Arizona will be 1 hour behind. Well, during the fall, Nevada will be an hour behind Arizona in time. But Arizona stays the same because it does not participate in the daylight savings. So beautiful. So beautiful. So I'm walking back to the Nevada side. This still is Arizona. Still Arizona. So this is still Arizona. Okay. So, as you can see, I'm in the middle, Arizona to my right, Nevada to my left. I'm now in Nevada.